In this video, I will explain the common ways through which you can make money with cryptocurrency. I know you've seen a lot of people on the social media making a lot of money from cryptocurrency, and you are getting worried, experiencing FOMO, and thinking of how you can also make money for yourself with cryptocurrency. Calm down, because this video is for you. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end, because every part of this video is important. That is, if you really want to make money with cryptocurrency. So right here in this video, I will be showing you how you can make money with cryptocurrency, and this video is for you, either you're an expert or a beginner. My name is Julius, and on this channel I make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to invest, how to manage your money, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. And if you're interested in things like this, kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. So without any delay, let's get straight to the point. The first way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through buying and selling. Buying and selling cryptocurrency is one of the most popular ways of making money in the cryptocurrency market. With this method, all you need to do is to buy cryptocurrency at a lower price and sell them at a higher price. This is very easy and less risky compared to some other ways of making money through cryptocurrency. This method of making money with cryptocurrency requires little skill. You have to begin with selecting a reputable crypto platform. I recommend BINANCE, and that's simply because of the security feature, the low trading fee, the user-friendly interface, and also considering the fact that a lot of cryptocurrency are listed on this platform. To buy and sell cryptocurrency on the BINANCE app, you can easily use the P2P section. On the P2P section, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency directly trading with other users on this platform. And you can make money from this in two ways. You can buy crypto on the P2P platform and hold on a little bit for the price to increase so that you can sell it back at a higher price. Secondly, you can buy cryptocurrency from people outside this platform and then sell it in the P2P section. But before doing this, you must have checked the selling price on Binance P2P so that you can know how much to buy from people. By simply doing this, you will be able to know how much your profit is even before starting the trade. For me, I prefer buying and selling USDT because it is a stable coin and the quantity will not depreciate before finishing the trade. Unlike Bitcoin that could decrease or sometimes increase before I'm able to sell it. But since we are buying for the purpose of selling immediately for profits, it is safe to buy and sell stable coin to reduce risk. For more details on this method of making money with cryptocurrency, you can check this video, and I will also add the link in the description below. The second way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through investment. Actually, this is one of the best ways of making money with cryptocurrency. Making money with cryptocurrency through investment means buying and holding cryptocurrency for a long time so that the value can increase greatly. To make money through this method, you need to research different cryptocurrency to understand how they work, what they are used for, when they are created, who created them, the community support, and the market potential. This method of making money with cryptocurrency involves doing research. Little research though. So this research will help you to find crypto that seems promising and could grow in future. Once you've identified a suitable coin, then you can now buy it and save it on a very secure platform, so as to safeguard your investment against theft, hacking, and other risks that are associated with the cryptocurrency ecosystem. When investing in cryptocurrency, you have to have it at the back of your mind that diversification is important. You have to diversify your investments. You have to buy different cryptocurrency. Don't just buy one because somebody told you this is the one you are supposed to buy. You buy different ones. Just in case one doesn't do well, then the other one will increase greatly, make a lot of money to cover up the loss of the ones that are not doing well. In the crypto world, it is possible to invest only $10 in a small coin that can potentially skyrocket and make about $10,000 depending on the market sentiment. I used to say that there's no free money anywhere, but cryptocurrency is actually going against that now because crypto can actually give you free money. But nevertheless, you still have to do some little research. In December 2023, we have the case of Solana that skyrocketed. People that invested about 10,000 naira in Solana were able to make about 200 million naira from that coin. So in many cases like that, if you are able to make your research properly, there are some coins that you can just put little money, and by the end of the day, they will skyrocket to make you a lot of money. If you are looking for how to make research on cryptocurrency so that you can know the next Bitcoin, you can check this video, and I will also drop the link in the description below. In this video, I explain everything you need to consider when looking for the next Bitcoin step by step. Above all, making money with cryptocurrency through investment requires research, risk management. That is why I said you should diversify your investment. You should buy different types of cryptocurrency, and a commitment to long-term wealth accumulation. You should be able to hold your coin for a long period of time. The third way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through arbitrage trading. Making money with cryptocurrency through arbitrage trading involves exploiting price difference between different crypto exchange platforms. This means taking advantage of price difference between two or more crypto exchange platforms to make a profit. Here is how it works. As an arbitrage trader, you have to keep a close eye on several cryptocurrency platforms to find situations where exactly the same cryptocurrency have different price on different platforms. This difference in price can happen because of things like how many people are buying and selling that cryptocurrency at that particular point, and how much of the coin is available, and some other things. So all you have to do is to buy coin from platform trading at a lower price and selling it at a higher price on another platform at the same time, so that you can make money from the price difference. For example, let's say Binance is selling USDT for 1,400 naira per dollar, and KuCoin on the other side is selling for 1,405 naira per dollar. So if you buy on Binance for 1,400 to sell on KuCoin for 1,405, you make a profit of 5 naira on every USDT you trade. And what you've just done is called arbitrage trading, because you took advantage of price difference between these two platforms to make a profit for yourself. As an arbitrage trader, you need to be very fast and smart to make the most of arbitrage chances before the market changes and the price difference go away. This means that you have to always watch trading charts closely so that you can know the best time to do your trades. However, arbitrage trading has some tough parts and little risks that you as a trader needs to think about. This risk includes the cost of transaction, like the trading fee and the withdrawal fee, which can reduce your profit, especially when you are trading with little amount of money. Successful arbitrage trading requires careful planning, and also you have to know that arbitrage opportunity does not last long. It often happens within short period of time, so that is why you have to keep looking at the charts so that you can know when there is a price difference and you can quickly trade and make some profits for yourself. The fourth way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through staking. Staking in cryptocurrency is almost like having a fixed deposit in your bank account. So if you stake your coin, that means you lock your coin and you cannot spend or sell those coins for that period of time. And after a certain period, it will be released and you get interest or reward for doing that. This is very similar to mining. Miners are the people that let cryptocurrency transaction happen, because they help to validate transaction and they earn reward in crypto for doing this. So in staking, the coin that are locked are used to validate crypto transaction, and in return, you earn more coin as reward. To stake on Binance, for instance, on the mobile app, we have to go from the wallet section to the end section. This will show you the option of different coins and their annual percentage yield. That's like the interest rate per year. So we have low risk, we have the high yield, which involve higher risk, and the returns are not even guaranteed. So personally, I recommend the low risk staking. So to earn this interest, you just have to lock your coin for the stipulated period of time. If you are new to this, I will advise that you go for the USDT option because it is a stable coin, and this will help you to avoid risk. And by staking your coin, you contribute to the security and decentralization of cryptocurrency. So your reward or profit depends on the amount of coin that you stake and the duration of the staking period. Staking reward comes daily, weekly, and sometimes monthly. So staking can help you to earn passive income, allowing you to earn without actively trading or investing in the market. So staking is fine because you can just be sleeping and making money. The fifth way of making money with cryptocurrency is through participation in crypto airdrop. So this is like getting cryptocurrency for free, and yes, it truly works. Most of the crypto that you've heard about started as airdrops. This is a process where individuals receive free token or coin from blockchain projects. The aim is to promote the project, attract users, and create a community around this project. To benefit from airdrops, you have to research about new airdrops, and that's very easy. You can simply search for the latest crypto airdrops with your Chrome, and you will see the listing of all new airdrops. You can also find information about airdrops on Crypto Forum. I also drop updates like this on my Telegram channel, and I will drop the link in the description below. So once you find an airdrop that you are interested in, you will simply need to complete easy tasks that will qualify you for free tokens. These tasks can include subscribing to a newsletter or sharing posts on your social media and some other easy tasks. After this task, you can now wait for the distribution of airdrops token to your crypto wallet. And once you receive them, you can now decide to hold on to the token as a long-term investment, hoping that their value will increase greatly over time, or you sell this token on crypto platforms for money. That's like free money, free airdrops, free money. To make money with cryptocurrency through airdrop, you have to stay updated and be very careful, as some airdrop updates may be scams aimed at stealing your personal information. You just have to make your research diligently. There are actually more ways you can make money with cryptocurrency, which include the spot and the future trading or buying ICOs. ICO are cheap coins that are yet to enter the market. Above all, to make money with cryptocurrency, you just need to do your research right. If you are looking for how you can make money on Binance Daily, then you need to check this video, where I will take you through a step-by-step process on how to achieve this. Join my Telegram channel where I drop crypto updates and personal finance tips, which